It is about 800 meters from the entrance. You can walk or you can hire a golf cart. They have some golf cart facility if people are unable to walk. This is the way to the waterfalls. After about 5 minutes of walk, the road leads to a place like this. This is the waterfall. I can go further down. There is a signboard saying something about Pykara Falls. So we got tickets. There is an entry fee of 40 rupees to get in here. There is some washroom. Now I have to take this road down. It's going all the way to the bottom of the waterfalls. They seem to have a nice reservoir here. This is a video of Pykara Waterfalls, all the way from the entrance to the falls. This is a falls with a lot of water in it, going down. This is a close-up of Pykara Waterfalls. This is a video from the top of the waterfalls where all this starts. There's a river.